Aloha from Kona, Hawaii. I'm pouring in the kitchen. Today I'm going to try to do a Dutch pour on photo paper. Since I'm here in Hawaii, it's hard for me to carry canvases back and forth. And what I did is I saw someone on YouTube, and her name's Shelby Price, and I followed her instructions on how to pour on photo paper. So this will be my first painting. Hopefully it'll turn out. But anyway, in the description below, I'll have her link so you can go and see how she does it. She has some beautiful art that she's done on photo paper. So I did get the exact photo paper that she uses. It's the Canon photo paper semi-gloss. There's 50 sheets, 8.5 by 11, 10.2 mil, and 69 pound. So I got that. And what she does is you can use foam board, you can use cardboard, anything that is stiff like this. And what I did is I cut it and then I taped around the edges. And what you want to do is you're going to use the semi-gloss side, not the back. A lot of people on alcohol inks, they use the back of the photo paper, but not with paint. So what you want to do is I'm going to go ahead and put that photo paper face down. And then I have some double back tape. What I want to do is I want to put the double back tape right here in the middle of this Dutch pour, or this foam board. Just put it there, and what we want to do is we want to get it so the paper will hang over just a little bit all around. So I got it cut pretty close. I did do a little experiment with this just to see how it would work. I didn't really try a real pour. So, but that was with a different kind of paper. So this is the first time I'm using this paper. So there you go. So turn it around, and now it's stiff enough where you can tilt it around, and we'll see how this works. So another thing that she does is she tapes these on the bottom. But for now, I'm just going to use them like we normally do, just to have somewhere to have the paint roll off. Okay, she hasn't done a Dutch pour on the photo paper, but that's what I'm going to try first off. And I'm going to try to use this little mini blower. Looks like a little mini hair dryer. It's a USB connection for the electrical outlet. So we'll see if that works. If it doesn't, I have this backup battery operated blower. So let's get going. So the colors I'm using today are, the white is something I had left over from last year when I came. I was giving classes here in Kona last year for what, two or 3 months, and we were doing basic flip cups and coasters and such. But this is art alternative. I don't have the jug with me, but it's just left over, and it's thick, and I made it thin so we can go ahead and flood coat. This is the blue-green iridescent from PBO. This is a golden phthalo green. This is Sargent liquid metal Aztec gold. And this is a mixture of dragonfly glaze. What color is that? It's color changing acrylic. It says top coat. It's a blue-green shift paint. And then I added some Deco Art Extreme Sheen sky blue topaz. And then I put a little bit of the Creative Inspirations phthalo blue. Mixed all together, and that's what I got there. want to make sure my white is thin enough here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do it in this order. Ooh, that's a little, this is a little thick. Sorry, I thought I had it ready to go. Wow, it thickened up quick. You can probably hear the birds out there. They have a flock of parrots that comes by every other day. Pretty loud. These are just the regular birds. They're annoying in the morning when you're trying to sleep in. This is better. Phthalo green, should be transparent color. This is really pretty color. See it better down here. I don't have my lighting or anything, so I'm sort of winging it here. Really curious to see how this is going to look. So pretty. I don't know if you probably can't because of the lighting. It's not right. I don't know. You can see sort of holographic sparkles in there. All right, don't need a whole lot. I got to be careful I don't splatter paint everywhere. I think I'm good around. All right, let me pop some bubbles. Okay. All right, let's see if this will push this paint. Wait a minute. I won't push it if I don't. No, I have a little bit of white left over. Just a little bit. I wasn't going to put a whole lot. I was going to just push it without the white around it. But since I have some left, I'm just going to put a little bit there. Might regret it, but let's see. I'm going to go ahead and push it without putting it over. I know, it's not even moving. This is not moving. Okay, so much for that idea. Try this. Pretty. You can see that. cells on the end. Very pretty. I wish that color would have come out more. I'm wondering if I want to try. I did bring my airbrush. You know me, I can't just leave it alone. Okay, I don't know when I lost you, but I'm glad I tried to fix it. It looks awesome now. Not sure, but anyway, I fixed it. And right along the edges, since it's paper, I'm not sure if it's drying or if the paint just didn't go over. But what you can do is when it dries, you can get a razor blade and a straight edge and just cut this down, and it'll fit in a regular 8.5 by 11. I mean, it's 8.5 by 11 now. So what you can do is cut it down and fit it in an 8 by 10 frame. So when you do work like this on paper, the good thing, it doesn't take up a lot of room. They'll, put some wax paper in between, and you could stack them up and travel with them. I'm going to be bringing some of these back. Go to the thrift store, get an 8 by 10 frame, cut it down. You can cut it to whatever size you want. And wow, of course, there's bigger sizes of this paper too. Yeah, for experimenting, this is great, and this turned out beautiful. So I will have the dried result coming up in one of the next videos. So I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Be right back. Okay, here it is. Here's a close-up. This is the area that I redid, and I'm glad I did. Really pretty. So there's the whole thing. That gold veining is really pretty. I don't know if you can see the holographic shine on there, glitter, but it's there. So when this dries, I will show you in one of the next videos how it turned out. Anyway, there's a Dutch pour on photo paper. Hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe. Mahalo. Aloha.